Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm using MVP, Triumph, and some tack-free top coat by Revel to teach you all a few mirror chrome tricks. My first coat is going to be thin, and I'm only going to cure this for 15 seconds. This will pick up a lot of color, but it won't be as shiny as when we do our second coat. Instead of dipping my sponge into the powder, I'm actually going to scoop it and dump some onto the nail. This way I sandwich a lot of the glitter in between my sponge and the nail. It's a light pressure. If you press too hard, you could actually wipe all the product away. And really focus on the sides. They need a lot of love. And I like to go up and down and left and right and all over this nail. And when it's as shiny as you think it will get, wipe away all that excess glitter so it doesn't get stuck in your next coat. Remember to anchor your pinky if you need to, and I like to drop off the excess product right around the middle and then cover the rest of the nail. Then I can go and gently push that product slightly towards the cuticle. Then just pull back and feather down over the product to even it out. Now I gently flip it over for 2 to 3 seconds, and for the second coat, I'm going to cure it for 25 seconds. This will give us a shinier coat. The next coat is done the same way, but I like to spend some extra time getting it all in and laying it down flat so it really shines. Remember to dump some on the nail and buff it up and down, left and right. Pay attention to those side areas. And I even focus on the underneath sides of the edges. When I dust off the excess glitter and powder, I make sure I get as much as I can. I really don't want those to get stuck in my top coat. And since this should be the last top coat application, make sure it's nice and thick. And if there are any bubbles, just use more product to smooth it out. And cure this for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to use MVP to show you how to do this a little bit differently. The first top coat is the same, thin layer, and we can cure this for 15 seconds. It's the same process to apply the chrome, but I'm going to do it using a silicone tool. These aren't as big as a sponge applicator, but they press in the chrome powder really nicely and give you a lot more control. The big reason I love them though is I can clean them with a quick swipe of alcohol, and it makes it really easy to switch between colors without needing a bunch of different sponge applicators, which can get kind of annoying. Another little trick is if you feel like you don't have enough product on your brush, flip the brush over. There's usually quite a bit on the other side, saving you from having to re-dip into the bottle as often. So this is the exact same step as all the other times, but it is kind of satisfying to watch. So I'll just let you guys enjoy that for a minute. So this is MVP chromed. It's like a dark gunmetal blue. It's really unique. I love it. You can kind of see the blue glitters trying to shine through and say hi. But it is time for Elixir. And we are going to do a holochrome ombre over the Triumph. So holochrome and mirror chrome work the exact same way. I'm going to use my silicone tool for this so I have a lot of control. Almost like this is why I showed you guys this in the first place, Alright, I'm going to concentrate all of the rubbing at the very end of the nail first. Get it nice and hollowy. And when I'm happy with that, I'm going to lightly push it up the nail to create that ombre effect. It's really easy. And she looks so pretty. And when I do my top coat, it will shift those hollow glitters around and make them pop, which really brings the ombre to life. This is the final top coat, so remember to full cure it for 60 seconds. And this is the finished triumphant hollow ombre. See what I did there? If you own a silicone mat, then you already know they are really good at getting the glitter and dust to cling to it. Like seriously, these glitters won't budge. Hand sanitizing gel. So this does contain alcohol, which is actually what's cleaning the mat, but it also contains a lot of conditioning ingredients that make it gentle on the silicone. You can use paper towel for this. I'm just using a small wipe, which doesn't pick up anything by itself, but when I add hand sanitizer to it, oh, yep, that happened, and almost hit the cat. Whoops! Anyways, just a few swipes, and I already have the stains from the pigments, and a good portion of the glitter is gone. Now I did have to wipe this a few times and no, it didn't get all the glitters, but most of those glitters will easily wash off with water now, and it won't wreck my mat or wreck the logo. So yeah, I think that's all I can think of for this one. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy your chroming adventures. See you next time.